Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to guide you on a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Supercell ID in Brawl Stars account. Brawl Stars is a popular multiplayer online battle game that is known for its fast-paced gameplay and strategic depth. In order to create Supercell ID in Brawl Stars, you will need to open Brawl Stars app. After opening, you will see home page of Brawl Star, and on its top right corner, you will see three lines where you need to tap on it. A menu will pop up on your screen, and in the very last, there is Supercell ID. You'll have to tap on it. Here, you'll be asked to log in or register your account. Since we are creating new Supercell ID, you'll have to tap on Register Now. Here, you'll need to type in a valid email address in order to get verification code in your mail. Then, you'll have to tap on Continue. Here, you are asked to enter your email address. Make sure you type the email address that you have access of. Type your email again to confirm. Then, you'll have to tap on Register option. Here, you will see verification code is sent in your mail. So now you'll have to open your mail app. Here you can see the mail from Supercell. You'll have to tap on it. Scroll down and you can find 6-digit code. You'll have to copy it. Then you can go on your Brawl Stars app again. Here, your verification code is automatically typed in. You'll just have to tap in the submit button. Tap on the OK button again. Now create your Supercell ID name. Then tap on Continue button again. Here, you can select your avatar and background as you prefer. After selecting your avatar, you can click on Continue. And just like that, you can create Supercell ID in your Brawl Stars. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave like, share and subscribe. Thank you.